Welcome, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, Jim Dedman. Hope you enjoyed today's video that I put together for you. We're always doing something interesting here in the shop. Stick around, watch the video, enjoy, comment. Thank you. Good afternoon. This is about 6 o'clock today. Chris will be home shortly. She's over at Tony's visiting the grandchildren. She's going to do the drawing. These are the drawings. There's a few entries. I'm not going to say disappointed, but I would like to have more. So kind of what the drill is, as she gets here, we'll fire the camera up. She'll do the drawing, and we're doing this drawing old school. We're not doing this drawing with number generators. We're doing pulling names. I put all the names on a spreadsheet and they're printed. And so that's the way this is going to work. Thank you for watching today's video. This is Jim. This, by the way, I will remind you, this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your personal enjoyment here on YouTube. The other thing I want to do is quickly thank everybody that's out here, that's visited my channel, that views, that comments. Our channel is growing thanks to you, and I want to send you a sincere thanks. Thank you, and have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.